Melissa and Mickey here. I am here at the beautiful Yacht Club Resort, the Disney Yacht Club Resort. We are staying here for a pre-night stay before we get on the Star Wars Galactic Star Cruiser. And we are super excited to be here. We are staying club level, so this will be a club level room. It will sleep 5, and it has a beautiful view of the Stormalong Bay pool. So you'll want to make sure that you stay tuned for all of the different views. And for your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa and Mickey. You can find me at melissa@crazyimaginationtravel.com. So let's go in and see. So this is room 5145. It is up on the club level floor, and it is very close to the lounge, so I highly recommend it. If you like this room, you can also request it when you book your vacation through Melissa and Mickey. I will make that request for you. Now, please note, we have stayed here already for one night, so you will see our luggage. But you will get the gist of the room and how beautiful it is, and you'll get a very lovely tour. So this is a 2-queen water view room, pool view room. It will sleep 5. We've got 2 queen beds, and then we also have this day bed. So let me pull the day bed down and show you. The day bed is already made out, and so all you have to do is undo the hooks here. You're ready to go. It's already has the sheets on it and all that good stuff. So very easy to take up and down, and makes into a lovely sofa. Easy as that. All right, so here's the lighting, the lamps. We are at the Yacht Club, so you see a lot of masculine tones. Here's the navy drape. I really like it. So the constellations, I see Nemo and Mickey and Minnie. Very, very cute. And we also have photos here, artwork of some ships, which are nice, and some boats. Now we have a desk here. I've got my husband's luggage on there right now, but you do have a pull-out desk. You've got plugs here if you need them, with USB ports, and the beautiful mirror, nautical themed. So the bed here is very pretty. This is denim fabric, and then you've got the reading light here, which is nice if you've got the lights off. Now, one of the things I love about the Yacht Club, you can put your luggage underneath your bed. Scott needs to do that, doesn't he? And we've got hardwood floor here, which is nice. Here is your chest of drawers, and then we've got our flat screen TV. And usually, we've got more plugs here with USB ports. Also over here, which is very nice. Here's your extra pillow and blanket underneath here with lots of great storage. This has a lot of drawers there. Now here is your side table between your beds, and again, you can see all of our electronics are plugged in. Your remote control has been cleaned and wrapped. You've got drawers here if you'd like to use them as well for storage. And you've got lights, switches next to the bed, which is awesome to turn out the lights here. Here's your wallpaper. I like the dots. Reminds me of Mickey. Now this is a connecting room, so if you have more than 5 and you're looking to connect, just let me know. I'll call Disney and get a travel with number for you, and we'll see if we can get a connecting room. Here's a side table made of marble, more plugs. And then let's look here at the entryway. So lots of storage. This particular cabinet has a steam iron, an ironing board that you can pull out and iron if needed. It also swivels, which is nice. And then we have our safe, and of course you can set the code for that safe. More storage. Open up this side, and we've got a lighted closet, and we've got plenty of hangers there. We have our slippers since we are in club level, and in here we have our robe. So I love robes and slippers when you're in club level. Now I've worn my robe, so it is in the bathroom. I'll show you that in a minute. Now here is your coffee area and refrigerator. So you've got a Keurig, and then you've got 50th Joffrey's coffee. You've got 4 regular caffeinated, 2 uncaffeinated. You've got a couple of green tea and black tea pods with your sugar and creamer. If you need to, whoop, you can do ice. I lost the bag on that, didn't I? And then you've got cups here. So this is for your hot coffee, and then this is for your water. Now here is your refrigerator. We've got room for some sodas and things like that. Now club level, I love it because you can, ooh, this is not one, there we go. Club level, you can bring in your drinks and have them here, and you can also get water. So yeah, it's really nice. Now these barn doors close and roll, so if someone needs to get ready while someone else is sleeping, you can do that. Here's the bathroom area. We have 2 sinks, which is nice. More storage underneath. Nice flooring. You even have a drawer here with a hair dryer. H2O bath products. Remember, we've been here a night, so here's your makeup mirror that lights up. Lamp. Storage here. I love the towels when they roll the washcloths up to make hidden Mickeys. Those are awesome. And lots of towels here. Your waste can. Here is your toilet area. And this particular yacht club room has a tub shower. We also have stand-up showers, so if you prefer that, I absolutely can request that when you book your Disney vacation with me. I will make sure that we have that noted on your reservation. Now here's the shower. So we've got a handheld and a rain shower. We've got H2O products, which are great. And there's my robe. I love wearing Disney robes. Now it's night right now, so I'm gonna take you outside. The pool, our families are so enjoying the pool. Stormalong Bay Pool is amazing. When you stay at the yacht club, you can use the Stormalong Bay Pool along with the beach club, so very nice. Now our balcony has 2 chairs and a table. It's quite roomy. Love to see families having fun. And for your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa and Mickey. It would be my pleasure to assist you. I cannot wait to plan the magic with your family. See you real soon. Contact Melissa at crazyimaginationtravel.com.